This is a tutorial on how to create your calendar for your reservations, bookings, whether you're running an F&B or you're renting a space or you're providing consultation, that you give people free consultation sessions or whatever that may be. You can use this to handle your reservations. Okay, what we do now is once you log in into your account, you will see your own spaces, your organization. You can change it, you can edit it. If you want to change some details, you can do so. For example, you want to change the name, you want to change the number, anything you can change. And okay, let's talk about reservations. What we can do now is to go to this calendar, click on new calendar, and you can only find your space that has already been registered, and then you can put the name there, consultation. Okay, this is just an example. Description, you can put whatever description that you can understand what calendar this is. For example, this is my consultation calendar, for example. And if this is disabled, this calendar will not be available for reservation. So what we're going to do now is just to activate it. Okay, if you look at this part, requires approval before reservation. Okay, so we have two types of reservation which you can choose. Okay, the first one is that people can book a time, and then you will need to manually look at it, the reservation, and see if you want to approve it or reject it. If you don't want that, you want it to just accept all reservations without filtering, without canceling people off. And then you see if you want to just turn this on. Normally you can turn it on if you handle just a small amount of people and you want quality people. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, terms. Here is where you can put your terms. Okay, what is terms? What are terms? Okay, let me show you an example. This is one of our clients, Kin Thai restaurant. So if you press reserve now, okay, terms and conditions. This is their terms and conditions. So you can put whatever you want. You can customize it. And if you want to link something to another post, for example, click here. For example, click here. This one you can add the link, the URL. Okay, what is URL? For example, I just copy this. This is the URL I copy, and then paste it here. Link. So this is how you create a link of the words. So when people click on this word here, it will automatically bring it to the link that you've just provided. Okay, the next thing is minimum capacity. For example, some restaurants or some organization businesses, they require a minimum capacity for people to book their slot. So this one you can set maximum capacity. Cancellation window. Okay, cancellation window is that if people are unable to make it, you allow them to cancel even 1 hour before the booked time, the reserved time. Reminder window is how long before the reservation start time should the customer be reminded of the reservation. This one you can set, it's flexible, so that people won't forget that they have already booked a time with you, with your business, or their reservation at your restaurant. Booking window. How long before? Okay, this is, for example, now is 2 o'clock. I want to book for 3 o'clock. But if you set this to be 1 hour, then I might not be able to book it if the duration is less than 1 hour. Okay, next one is time slots. Time slots you can set. For example, Monday I have 10 spaces available, and each space the duration is 1 hour, and you can set if I want to accept reservations only in the afternoon because that is a non-peak hour. Okay, you can set it. You can set all the days that you want and just click create. Okay, block date. What is block date? It is, for example, let's say December 25th. This is Christmas Day, and there are a lot of people coming here, so you're gonna just block it. You only accept walk-in customers, for example. Okay, that's how you set a block date. Or if you want to modify the time slot, you can do so. Just now we've set it 1 to 3, so you can modify if you want to, for example, bulk edit. I want to delete this, and you can just click on tab, space, tab, space. That is a shortcut if you want to select multiple time slots. Okay, and then let's say I don't want these time slots, and you just click delete. For example, yeah, this is, you can set the titles that you want, start and end time. You want to create, let's say 5 minutes. Small 5-minute meetups. Then every 5 minutes you will have meetups. That is how you, okay, it's a very long, but this is just an example of how you can do your customization for your time slot reservation. And if you have reservations, you can just see it here. So basically that is how you create your calendar for bookings. Okay, after you have created the calendar, go to your space, and then go to widgets, click on new widget, select this reservation widget, and then you can select your calendar. So this is another client's, so you can select the calendar and then press create. Okay, I'm not going to create it because it already is in here. So this is what you're going to do, and once you're done with that, it will look like this. So this area will appear. Okay, so that is all for this.